Meaning of forum.
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 Forum. A forum is an online space where people can come together to discuss various topics and exchange information with others who share similar interests. It is a platform that allows for open communication and enables users to engage in discussions, share their opinions and ask questions. Forums are typically organized by categories or topics, making it easy for users to navigate and find content that aligns with their interests. Overall, forums provide a valuable outlet for individuals to connect with others and gain insights into a wide range of subjects.